Hi class, my name is Rosie Enyart and it's nice to meet all of you. I'm 29 years old and I live in Norwalk, Connecticut with my dog Edie. Here's a picture of her. She's adorable. I love art and music and I like to spend my free time immersing myself in all different types of creative projects. I work as a community educator at a domestic violence crisis center in Greenwich, Connecticut. And my job involves engaging students, young people, in conversations about healthy relationships. How do we nurture healthy relationships? How do we cultivate them? And what do we do if a relationship that we're in becomes kind of unhealthy? And my objective as an educator is to challenge the risk factors for the perpetration and victimization of violence. So for example, I lead students through conversations about challenging gender roles, rigid gender roles. And I like to bolster protective factors like strong social connection and community cohesion in my work. After graduating with a bachelor's degree in human development and family studies, I worked as a sexual violence crisis counselor for about 3 years. And through that work, I discovered a passion for the prevention of social diseases and decided to follow that passion into a career in public health. As is true for so many of us, this year has taken a significant toll on my personal life. Over the last 6 months, my wedding was canceled, I moved unexpectedly, and I suffered the tragic and unexpected loss of a very close loved one. My recent personal struggles have illuminated the ripple effects this pandemic has had, not only on population health, but also on social health and mental health. And when I move through my own healing journey, I find myself all the more empowered and excited to learn through the University of New England all of the skills that I'll need to know as a public health professional. Thank you for watching. I really look forward to getting to know each of you better during this course, and I will talk to you soon.